Morning students, today we will learn about average speed. While traveling to on a road, you must have noticed that there is so much of traffic that we cannot maintain the same speed through the entire journey. For example, while traveling from Delhi to Chandigarh, a car may cover 100 km at the speed of 100 km per hour, while the next 50 km speed was 60 km per hour, and in the last 100 km speed was 120 km per hour. Thus, in this case, speed of car does not remain constant throughout the journey. We have seen. Hence, to predict how fast the car moves in journey, we need to calculate the average speed of the car. Average speed is determined as the ratio of total distance travelled to total time taken. Or in maths you can say average speed is equal to total distance travelled divided by total time taken. Now, do you know cheetah is the fastest land animal. Its speed ranges from 109 to 120 km per hour. But falcon is a bird and it is the fastest bird and fastest creature on the planet Earth. Its speed is 320 km per hour. It can fly. Now come to some examples. A car travels first 120 km at the speed of 40 km per hour and next 80 km at the speed of 60 km per hour. Determine the average speed. First, we need to determine the time taken. In the first case, time is equal to distance divided by speed. In the first case, distance is 120 km and speed is 40. So 120 divided by 40 is equal to 3 hour. So time taken 3 hour to cover 120 km at the speed of 40 km per hour. In the second phase, second part of journey, distance is 80 km and speed is 60 km per hour. So time is equal to distance into distance divided by speed. So 80 divided by 60 and it comes 4/3 hour. In the first case 3 hours it took and in the second phase it took 4/3 hour. So total time taken 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 hour plus 4/3 hour is equal to, add both of them, 13/3 hour, and the total distance is 120 plus 80 is equal to 200. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Our total distance is 200 and total time is 13/3. So divide 200 by 13/3 and answer will be 46.15 km per hour. This is the answer. The speed of the car is 46.15 km per hour. Second example, a bus covers a distance of 600 km with average speed of 60 km per hour. Calculate the time. Total distance 600 km. Average speed of the bus is 60 km per hour. Speed 60 and total distance 600 km. So time is equal to total distance divided by we have to calculate the time. Okay. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. And here total distance is 600 km and average speed, we have to take time, so divided by average speed, and speed is 60 kilometer. So 600 divided by 60 is equal to 10 hour, is equal to 10. Answer is 10 hour. It took 10 hour to cover 600 kilometer at the speed of 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now come to uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform means moving at the same pace. In this figure, you can see car covers 4 meter in every 3 seconds. It indicates the car is moving at a constant speed. Such a motion is called uniform motion. In other words, the distance traveled by object is equal in equal interval of time. The motion of the object is called uniform. Means equal distance and equal interval of time. Then the motion will be uniform. In other words, when body travels in a straight line, both the speed and direction of motion does not change with time, and the body travels with a constant speed, and it is called uniform motion. In the right side, the figure is non-uniform motion. In this figure, you can see the car covers a distance of 3 meter in the first 3 seconds, a distance of 2 meter in the next 3 seconds, and distance of 4 meter in the last 3 seconds. Means time is constant, but distance is changing every time. Such a motion where a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time is said to be non-uniform motion. Generally, the motion of vehicle on a road is non-uniform motion because it is not possible to maintain a constant speed in a crowded area, crowded road. In brief, motion with constant speed is uniform motion, and motion with variable speed is called non-uniform motion. Now come to checkpoint. Speed is the ratio of distance travelled to the time taken. Means speed is equal to distance travelled divided by time taken. Second, standard unit of speed is meter per second. Third, in case of variable speed, the motion is predicted with non-uniform motion. Fourth, speedometer tells the speed of a vehicle at any instant. Instant means at any time. Fifth, the motion of a train traveling at the constant speed of 100 km per hour along a straight track is uniform motion. If a bus covers 45 km in 15 minutes, then the speed of a bus is 45 km 15 minutes. So speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 45, time is 15 minutes. So 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3 km per minute. Answer is 3. 36 km per hour is equal to dash meter per second. You have to change kilometer into meter and hour into second. We all know 36 kilometer is equal to 36 into 1000 meter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 36 kilometer is equal to 36,000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. 60 minute into 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 means 3600 seconds. Now Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 36,000. Time is 3600. Calculate this and you will find 10. The answer will be 10 meter per second. Motion of a car on a crowded road is non-uniform motion. That's all for today. Thank you.